what we got for y'all today here is an FS56 RC weed eater. Someone was asking a question how to remove this head. It's very simple. If you got the tools that came with it, you should have brought one of these, which you're not going to use. Manual how to use it, you're going to use, and then a pin right here. You can use like any kind of pin you can find basically. We'll tell you this is about 3/16 of the diameter. Anything thicker than that won't work. All you're gonna do is stick it in this hole right here on the head of the weed eater. To the left side of the weed eater, you're just gonna stick the pin in there. The pin that comes with it, you're gonna twist it. You hear it pop in, see that? Watch. Twist. You hear it pop in there, went in there. Now there's a disc in there, and that disc, there's two slots. One slot on this side, one slot on this side. So see, watch. It caught there. After you put it in there, all you can do is twist the head. You're gonna twist the head to the right, clockwise. Then you can spin it off and get it off that easy right there. Now this plate falls off. Do not lose this plate. Definitely do not put this plate in upside down when you do, because if you do, you're gonna have trouble trying to get this sucker off, because there's not gonna be this little slot right here where it catches. This is what catches when you stick this in there. That's what catches that slot right there. And it stops this from spinning, and you're able to spin the head off right here. So this goes back in. Make sure when you put this back in, you push it facing back that way right there. That's simple. And here's the head right here already taken off. I'll give you a look at that end of the weed eater. Right here, I'll give you the look at the other end of the weed eater. Remember, like I said, when you put that pin in there, you can see what the pin comes out right there. That's what's gonna catch that slot right there when it's on there and stop this from spinning, and you can unscrew the head. You put it back in, same thing. It's real simple. Just put it back in there. It's like those teeth right there. Line it up like that. Remember, do not put it upside down, because this is gonna be trying to spin. Even if you hold this, trying to take this off, it's gonna still be spinning this, because you don't got nothing to actually pin in there, hold it. So make sure when you put it back in, this part is facing the inside, up there like that. Then you can put the head back in there and go counterclockwise to get it back on there. That's in there already, but you still want to get this pin in there. And where the slot is, you can tighten it up a little bit. Don't over tighten it and break it, man. You don't want to break it by over tightening it. Alright, I try to make this video quick and easy for you. And you see how easy it was? You just put that pin in that hole right there. I don't know if you can see it from over there, but I'll give it a try. You're gonna put that pin in that hole right there. Spin it till you hear it click. Spin it clockwise. Just spin. And it comes right off. That's simple. Don't forget, do not lose this piece, and put this piece back in the same way you take it out. That's simple. To put it back on, you put it on there, spin it counterclockwise. You might want to put that pin to help hold it down. Just tighten it a bit. Don't over tighten it and break this head, man. You gotta tighten it a bit. When it spins anyway, it tightens it up anyway. So it's that simple to do, man. Woman, whoever's watching, like I said, if you don't got the pin that came with it, or they didn't give it to you, just find your little bar. The diameter of this is 3/16. Any bigger than 3/16, it might not fit in there. So yes, it's that simple to remove the head. Give me a like if you would, follow if you want. And I got more videos coming up on this weed eater. And I got a bunch of other videos out there y'all can watch. Yeah, that's how simple it was, man. I was just explaining them. All they have to do is put that pin in there, give it a little spin. They'll feel the pin click fall in there, see? And then they can just spin it off. It's that simple. But I already showed them. The video's already over. Anyway, and to put it on, I told them put it back on, you know, tighten it up a little bit. It's clockwise to take it off, and counterclockwise to put it back on. It's that simple. But they already know. I already showed them. They seen it in my video already. Anyway, I told them to subscribe if they want and leave comments if they want to help my channel out. That's up to them if they want to do that. But I'm already done with the video. I'm gonna hit in, man. You can go ahead and kill it if you want. I don't think nobody's watching anymore.